Hey guys, we upgraded their cage again. What do you think? Get out of my way, bro. Get out of my way. Hello. This is Bonnie. And this is Freddy. He just tried to bite my phone. Hey, no. 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 And this is Freddy. No. This is Freddy. And this is Bonnie.
Hi there, Bonnie.
Anyway, this guy is also a YouTuber. And
Yeah.
this guy also. Subscribe to them. And also, thank you for 102 subscribers, everybody. And also, see you in the next short. Fun fact, this is the randomest guy I've ever seen. He just spawned in my life and boom, we're already friends. Also this guy. Bye.